ahead, back out. Yo, what is up, YouTube? We're moving the pids. I'm recording to get out of work. That way they can't yell at me because we need video footage.
Alright, the pigs are getting their new area.
You're good, good, good!
Hi, Piggy. Go here now.
Come here, babe. Come on, Ruth.
Cha! Cha!
Gosh, you've gotten so big.
Good girl.
Good girl, Ruth. Look at that.
Oh, can you get the hose over here?
Yeah.
Babe is gonna be stubborn and try to go up Michaela's side.
Break.
Brayden, come on. You want to ride both, but you can't ride a pig? She's so stubborn. Bray, go up closer because she's gonna go for that corner. There you go. Look at, they're so happy to be over here by the cow. Honey's probably excited to see them too. Babe, Ruth, are you excited? Pember, are you gonna be nice? Are you gonna be nice? No, you can't eat my camera. No. Hi, sweet piggies. We use carabiners on this side, so that way we can open it and get in and out of there, which is going to make feeding so much easier for Michaela. Really. Shake that money maker. Hi, Roo. That feels good. Rainy.
Oh, he's so sweet.
I'm laughing at Pember trying to sneak over.
Please go away. Please go away. Please go away. He's trying to get my back. Oh! Whoa.
You got your water filled. Are you happy? You just want some treats now, huh? Now you're closer to the house, so I can bring you some treats more often. You guys gonna go eat up this stuff? Hi, babe. I see two piggies who want snacks. Find you a boyfriend so you can make some bacon. Hi, honey. Hi, sweet girl. You want to go for another walk? Go find Lainey. Lainey's way over there. Look it. Lainey's way over there. The chickens already came into the pig pen. What are you girls doing? Look at, they're all back there trying to see. Do I want to go in? They're coming out of the woods. They ventured off into the woods for a bit. It's starting to get dark, so they're all gonna make their way back up front.
Look at her face though. Her face is so
Honey
relaxed.
loves belly rubs.
She's a trusting dog. Which is good but also bad.
I'm not gonna hurt a fly. But if a big old fox comes out of those woods, you better hurt that.
She has.
Yeah, she has. She's gotten a fox before.
I'm so proud of her for it. See how it works. She just thought about Lainey.
Oh yeah, she's watching Lainey like a hawk.
I know.
Lainey ventured too far away for Honey's
Liking.
liking. What's up, Doodle? Lainey, where you going, girl? Oh no, that's not your food. Nope, Lainey. That's for the piggies. That's not yours. Hey. That's not yours. It's not yours. You ready to go back in? I love her little noises. You getting loves. Are you enjoying that? Yes, you are.
She's like, I can't. She's like, I can't go to sleep, but I want to go to sleep. No, I can't.
It's been raining on and off, and the wind's been picking up here and there. We are under tornado watch here in South Carolina right now, and we went out this morning, got all the animals fed extra, everything on the farm buckled down. I'm hoping that my tunnel, my high tunnel, will do all right. The chickens don't want to go back into their coop quite yet, but I know once it starts to get more stormy, they'll head on in there. So yeah, we're as prepared as we can be on our homestead for this tornado watch. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a tornado warning, but we've got a basement in our 146-year-old, I think it's a 146-year-old house. We've got a basement to go into if we need be. We've got dinner already made in case we lose power. We have food, water, medicine, all that down in the basement in case we need to go down there. But yeah, showing you guys the calm before the storm. The boys should probably go move their vehicles before that gets blown onto them. Oh, we've got some eggs to take in. This is how we collect eggs from the coop. I don't know why I don't leave a basket out here or bring one with me, but every time I come out here, I end up going in the coop and seeing that the girls have been slacking on their job of collecting eggs. You guys gonna go in your coop? You can't ride the storm out here. I know they'll go in once it starts raining harder, but... I have feathers stuck to my shirt now. What do you think of this storm? I think our tornado watch is almost past.